Welcome back to Beerger. I've got a cool new episode that I'm going to start doing on a monthly basis, and that's cool and unique kitchen and grilling tools for your kitchen or your grill setup. And if you see one, you're like, ooh, I need that for my grill, or I need that in my kitchen, I'll put links in the description so you can pick those up and have them shipped to your house from Amazon if you want to. If not, I appreciate you watching. And if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and since it's October, the first product we're going to kick this off with is the Dracula Garlic Crusher. Yes, you heard it. It's a little toy looking thing that you open up, you put your garlic cloves inside, you crush them all up to chop up your garlic. You know, it's fun. It's Halloween time. You know, you can get the kids involved in your cooking, and it's just something to just bring out during Halloween time. It's kind of funny because garlic, Dracula don't really go hand in hand, but in this case, they definitely go hand to hand. It's fun to use. It's dishwasher safe. And when I bought it, it was on sale for $17. I think it's a little bit more now, but when I bought it, it was under 20. So under 20 sometimes. And you know, it actually worked pretty well. You know, these little gimmicky things sometimes can be a little chintzy, but this one's kind of cool. And you know, if it's not dishwasher safe, it doesn't belong in our kitchen. So this one's dishwasher safe. We used it. It's pretty cool. So check it out. Moving on to the next one, still kind of Halloween themed. If you want it to be, it could be a witch's broom, but it's actually a grill mop. This one's the Outset QB68.
What did you say?
Rosewood Collection Silicone Brush. What a name. Anyways, I'm just gonna call it the Witch's Broom because that's what it looks like next to Dracula's Garlic Crusher. I really love this basting brush or mop, whatever you wanna call it. It's silicone, so it can go on, you can use it on your really hot grill, dishwasher safe, and probably the coolest part about this one is the brush end unscrews off of the main handle and you can throw just that in the dishwasher. So you're gonna have to take up a whole bunch of room sticking up out of your dishwasher to clean that whole thing. So you just throw the dirty part in. That's cool. And not bad for only $11.99. I know some grill brushes are a lot more expensive than that. It's got a long handle, so if you got a really hot grill, you're not going to burn yourself as you reach across to baste your chicken wings or your chicken or your whatever you're cooking. Okay, moving on to something that has to do with butter.
Smooth like butter.
And to make your life with butter even easier. Isn't that great?
Boy, I put butter on just about anything.
Everybody wants an easy buttery life, and this one is the Magic Butter Spreader. Yes, you heard that right, Magic Butter Spreader.
You can never have too much butter.
I've never really had an issue spreading butter, but this one's a little gimmicky, but it actually works really well. So say you pulled out some butter from your fridge and you go to put it on your toast, you just slide it right across and it pulls up these little butter ribbons and butter strings, and then you can just put that right on your toast and it spreads nice and easily, so you're not tearing your toast apart when you go to spread your butter, your cold butter on it, if you don't leave your butter out. But another cool thing about this is if you flip it over, then it's got like a slice, so you can slice the butter with the knife and cut little butter slices. Dishwasher safe, and even better because it's only $11.99, again under $20. So, and the last one you may have seen on TV, as seen on TV, you know how much fun these ones are. I'm sure a lot of you buy these things just because you see that label and you're like, oh, this must be great. This is the Ontel Vegetable Spiralizer. It's handheld, it's dishwasher safe on the top rack. You just take your zucchini or your potatoes or your apples, whatever you want to spiralize. It works really great with zucchini, as you see in this video. And then it's got two different sizes, so it's got a thicker one and a thinner one. So if you like those thick noodles, then you can use thick noodles. We actually took these zucchini swirls and then I breaded them and coated them with heavy cream and egg, and then put them in breadcrumb and then fried them up for the top of a filet mignon steak with blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese. It was pretty amazing, I must say. So there's another video on that, and that filet mignon recipe coming very, very soon. It's from a very special place called White Oak Pastures down in Bluffton, Georgia. Stay tuned for that. And this one's only $9.99, so not bad at all. Very affordable, kind of fun, and you know, a tool like this one you can use with the kids, and they can get into cooking process, and that's really what I like, because I think that's something that's kind of missing nowadays. I just do. So that's it for the first edition of cool and unique cooking and grilling tools under 20 bucks for the month of October. So I hope you enjoyed. If, like I said, if you see anything that you like that you want to pick up for yourself, there'll be links in the description below. And then if you comment below on which cool and unique tool you'd like to have, maybe I'll pick somebody as a winner and send them out next month. Comment below, let me know which one of these tools you think would fit well in your kitchen or you'd like to use with your grill. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and you like this kind of content. There'll be a lot more coming. So thanks for watching.